Dear sisters and brothers, we live in a world filled with great progress, technological advancement, new gadgets coming in the market, social media, artificial intelligence, constant entertainment, Hollywood, Bollywood, and so on. And these are good and helpful in certain way. But in the midst of all this, something important is getting lost. That is a sense of God, a sense of faith. God has today been secondary. Prayer has taken a back seat in our life. Mass sometimes feels optional. Many children and youth today say faith is outdated, faith is old-fashioned, something of the past and not of the present. Is the faith outdated? Does faith still matter in today's modern world? Yes, my dear sisters and brothers, of course faith matters in today's world. Faith matters in today's world because it gives us meaning to our life in a way that technology, no progress can ever give. Faith does matter in today's world because it tells us, it makes us believe that we are not machines, but we are children of God. Faith does matter in today's world because it gives us courage and strength. When science has no answers, when medicines do not heal us, when technology cannot fix our pain, when human knowledge reaches its limit, faith gives us courage and strength to continue going, depending on God.